You can literally make over $10,000 a month with the 4 different side hustles I'll be breaking down for you in this video. And as you can tell by the title, the big one is all about YouTube. I'll break down how you can replace your full-time income by making a channel exactly like the one you're watching right now. Now let's get into the first side hustle for today. Side Hustle 1. This side hustle is all about building faceless pages on Instagram and TikTok, and then monetizing your accounts. To make the accounts faceless, you can use AI-generated avatars to make your videos. With AI tools like HeyGen, you can create a virtual host to represent you. All you have to do is choose an avatar, add your script, and suddenly you've got a digital version of yourself that talks and moves in sync with your words. If you find the voices a bit robotic, then I'd recommend heading over to Elevenlabs, which has some awesome realistic-sounding voices. Just pick a voice, generate the audio, and you're good to go. These AI tools open up a lot of creative possibilities. You can make videos about pretty much anything, like the top 5 exercises that help lose fat. As your videos start to get views, you can start making some money. You can include affiliate links or promo codes in your bio, which can help you earn a bit of extra cash. Plenty of people have made serious money with this approach. I'm talking hundreds of thousands of dollars. Side Hustle 2. This is all about becoming a digital problem solver. The key is to go into business with the goal of solving real problems, not just chasing dollars, because when you solve problems, the money comes naturally. This idea is especially true when you're building a following on social media. Here's how you do it. First, find a specific niche and a group of people you really care about helping. Take the time to understand their struggles, their frustrations, and what they really need. With that knowledge, create valuable content that addresses those problems and offers solutions. First, you'll want to choose a keyword or phrase that represents your focus. For example, if you're into online business and side hustles, make that your thing. Then create a free email-based course that your target audience won't be able to resist. It should be about 30 to 60 minutes of solid, helpful content on your chosen topic. Offer this course in exchange for email addresses, and voila, you're building a list of potential customers. Next, pick the social media platform where you'll focus your efforts: Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Just pick one and go all in. Create content that speaks to your audience, drawing them in. Immerse yourself in your chosen niche by consuming as much content as you can find. And don't get distracted by new trends. Stick with your platform until you hit your goals. Once you've built up a presence, start directing your followers to your free email course. Let them know they can dive deeper into the topic by signing up. This is where you start building relationships with your audience through email. Keep providing them with valuable content, and over time, you can introduce them to your digital or physical products, or even promote affiliate links. Your email list could turn into a steady source of income, possibly bringing in tens of thousands of dollars each month. Side Hustle 3. This side hustle is AI drop servicing. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to run an online business without a lot of hands-on work. Unlike drop shipping, where you sell physical products, drop servicing means you're offering services without actually doing the work yourself. How? By letting AI tools handle it for you. Check out future tools for a bunch of free AI tools that can do everything from creating social media posts to editing videos. Let's say you're interested in short-form video editing. With an AI tool, all you have to do is paste in a video link, press a button, and watch the AI turn it into a polished video in a matter of minutes. It's pretty impressive. Once you've got your AI tools set up, the next step is to find clients. You can look for them on social media platforms like Facebook, or on freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork. List the services you offer, reach out to people who might need them, and soon enough, you'll start getting orders. The beauty of this is that when someone places an order, you just use your AI tool to do the job. No special skills or deep technical knowledge required. The AI does all the heavy lifting. Once it's done, you send the final product to your client, and voila, you've made money without much effort at all. To take it even further, you can explore LinkedIn or join Facebook groups to find more people who might need your services. Offer them what you can do with AI, and you could quickly grow your client base. With AI drop servicing, you can provide a variety of services and make money with very little hassle. The potential is huge. Side hustle 4. Okay, this is the big one. This side hustle is all about creating a unicorn system with faceless YouTube automation. If you're wondering what that is, it's about combining different side hustles into one super effective money-making setup. Think of it like this. You find a unique niche, a killer offer, and a platform that really works, all in one package. Here's a real-world example to make it clearer. There's this faceless YouTube automation channel that's absolutely crushing it. They're making up to around $15,000, and that's just through YouTube ad revenue alone. They've hit upon a niche that's always popular, always in demand, and easy to make money from. Some of these channels make hundreds of dollars every day, just from ad revenue. These faceless YouTube channels are cash machines. What's great is that you can add affiliate links or promote your own products in the video descriptions, all without ever having to show your face. You can also get sponsorships and brand deals, which bring in even more money. The potential for a unicorn system is huge. If you're wondering how to get started, it's actually quite simple. You just need to pick a profitable niche, create videos, and upload. Once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply to get your YouTube channel monetized. Once it's monetized, you'll get paid for every view that your videos get. To make the videos, you can actually use what I've talked about in Side Hustles 1 and 3. You can use tools like HeyGen for longer YouTube videos, or you can use various AI tools to make videos such as this one you're watching right now. All you need is a script, voiceover, footage, and editing. You can outsource this to freelancers like on Fiverr, or you can use AI tools. I like using ChatGPT for scripts, Elevenlabs for voiceovers, Leonardo AI and Pexels for footage, and CapCut for editing. Keep uploading, growing, and get paid. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.